Hey, it's Patrick from J&P Cycles. Let's talk about headlights. Headlights, obviously a very important part of your motorcycle. And in the last few years, there's been a lot of innovation in the lighting technology that goes into a headlight. And that is great for motorcycles because not only is it great to be seen, it's also a really good thing to be able to see where you're going. So if you're just looking to do something as simple as replace your H4 bulb or your H7 bulb in your headlight, we got you covered. If you're not ready to take that step into the LED realm, we offer things like this PIA bulb here, which is an incandescent bulb, but a great upgrade over your stock lighting situation in your headlight. One tip I will say about the halogen stuff is don't touch it by the glass. When you go to replace it, you want to keep your fingers off that glass and the halogen stuff because the oil from your finger will cause it to possibly burn out quicker. Now, if you do want to take that LED step, but not quite ready to go into the full housing here, we do offer LED replacement bulbs, which are much, much, much brighter than stock and a great way to go. The only thing I would warn against, make sure you have that room in the back of the headlight housing here for the rest of the LED apparatus there and the cooling part of it. Some of them have little fans in them to fit in your headlight housing. So if you want to go LED, don't want to go the full apparatus here, you can just do the LED replacement bulb. If you do want to step up to the biggest, baddest lighting situation, you're going to want to go to one of these units like the Hogworks one or the Kuryakin one. The 5 3/4 one here from Hogworks, we have a 7-inch and a 7-inch. You can get these Hogworks lights in both halo and non-halo. The functionality of the beam is the same. Basically, it's a vanity type ring in the halo that actually allows you to be seen a little bit better, one more light in there for visibility, but it also looks really cool. And you can get halo or non-halo in both 5 3/4 and 7-inch from Hogworks. These are very, very bright. The Kuryakin 7-inch light here is a little bit different. It also offers that halo ring, but with a lot more functionality. It has a complete array of LEDs in there, allowing you to run different colors to match your paint or some other lighting you may have on your bike. It's also controllable through an app to do all kinds of crazy lighting things, change lights, match weird color combinations. Very functional on their LED ring there. Another way for you to set LED lights apart is their lumen rating. The higher the rating, 6,000, 7,000, 10,000, the brighter the light's gonna be. So that lumen rating on there is gonna tell you basically how bright the light is going to be. Also, for you custom built guys and gals, and some of you with the older model bikes that need the whole headlight housing replaced, we offer the headlight housings here. You can replace them. They come with or without a lamp, depending on your needs. And a lot of the people with older bikes, this tends to rust out here, especially if you're in a state that's next to the ocean. Your mount here will rust out, and these housings do need replaced. So we offer the headlight housings and the lamps to go inside them, both for you custom built guys and gals and people with the older models. As always, if you like what you see here, please subscribe to us. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you. You can chat with us at jpcycles.com, or you can call us on our 800 number. Now, go ride those motorcycles.